Hello, good day, good evening, whatever. Welcome to the next MSP430 video by MarkoeZ. Okay, I've been telling you about the goal of the project. This, by the way, what you see is my test board with the MSP underneath it, as you can see. A whole bunch of wires connected to it, new button, not really functional yet, but anyway, the goal of the project I told you about will be a robot that will be driven by the MSP430 or multiple in combination with the Pandora. Well, for a robot, of course, you will need movement, so I'll introduce you to my Porsche. What? Okay, it's just a simple, cheap RC car. You can see already some wires going in there. I will show you in a minute. But the MSP430 is, well, basically running my LED test program, but with 4 LEDs attached. These LEDs are actually disconnected, and I connected this to it. So if you test now, stop. And back to the blinking. Stop. Pretty nice. Okay, let's open this up. As I found out, most RC cars have the same chip, the RX2 in there, originally by blah blah semiconductors, big brand, forgot right now. Lots of clones are there right now, but the pinouts are the same, so you can trace them and do it like I do, connect the lines to just the pinouts of the MSP, and it will work. I can show you the rules. And stop. Now, this is not optimal for a robot yet, but for the first tests it will do. You need to be careful about this circuitry. I already burned some circuitry at least. To the front is steering. It's not really a servo, it's just the motor going left and right. Mine only steers left because I fried the circuit going to the right. I attached 8 volts somewhere from the motor drive, and that was not supposed to be driving that, so puff of smoke and boom. It still steers to the other side, so I can still continue drive testing once I have these 2 bits actually connected. Bought some sockets, so I will put the MSP on the actual board and try to mount it to the car. But that's all up next. Just thought I'd show you my first day of testing with it. So, to finish. And off. Okay. Bye bye.